On July 17, 2025, Tallahassee officers stopped a 19-year-old college student after she bailed from the scene of a crash, and the situation unraveled fast.
Anybody know what this chick looks like? Oh, I should have figured it out. Yeah, but wait, what? Could possibly be a man.
1 unit 600 just need someone to come back.
Hey.
Hey.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right, can you step out here for a second?
Yeah,
if you don't
of course.
mind? Are you the only one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
On my couch.
I'm gonna close the door. Okay. What's going on? Where are you coming from?
I had a dinner with my friends.
Okay. Were you just driving?
Yeah, I was.
You just got back here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
Do you have a license on you? I do not.
I'm gonna read you something really quick, okay?
Okay.
Doesn't mean you're in trouble
Okay.
or that you're going to jail or anything, but I have to read you this information before I ask you specific questions. What's your name, by the way?
Kaylee Kidder.
Haley? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's start with me getting some of your biographical information first.
Okay.
What's your birthday?
4306.
4306.
Mm-hmm.
So what?
Is it on her for you?
Oh.
Do you have a Florida driver's license?
I do, but I'll have to go find it.
What license is valid for you? Or is that it?
Wait, what do you mean by
Are you
that?
from Florida?
Yeah, I'm from Florida.
Cool.
Yeah.
Is that your most Kayelieigh?
Yes.
Sorry for my handwriting.
Brantley?
You're not hurt any, are you?
No.
Okay. I'm going to read you this real quick.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned if you wish. You can afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not make any statements.
Okay.
Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Having those rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
What does that mean? I'm sorry, I've never talked to the police before.
No, you're okay. So I just read you your rights about how you don't have to talk to me without a lawyer
Miranda
present.
rights, right?
Yeah, Miranda
Yeah,
right.
okay, yeah.
So after I read, I have to ask you possibly incriminating questions or questions specifically.
Mm-hmm.
Are you willing to talk to me about what I have to talk to you about?
Is it like, I've only seen any of this on
Mm-hmm.
TikTok or whatever.
It's a reference to a traffic crash. So before I ask you specific questions about a traffic crash, I have to read you your rights because this is a criminal investigation.
Okay.
Do you want to talk to me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Or you in a crash just at a Tennessee?
I don't know. I don't want to deal with that at all.
Well, there is damage to your Jeep.
Really?
To the front right side.
Okay.
Did the person try
there
to?
also there was previous damage to my front right side. Is it on the? Were you looking at the bumper?
No, I'm looking at the fender.
The fender?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just like the.
Okay, yeah. There was I hit my first week of driving. I did hit a trash can,
Mm-hmm.
and that did mess up my right front. But I don't know if it's from that or not.
Did the other person try to wave you down or anything? Did they say? All right, cool. Hang tight with these officers for a second.
He's trying to go there to wait to get more information.
Okay.
Switching with him.
Okay. May been, but for this incident, the call we got, whoever it was, he or she who was driving the other car, whether they hit you or not, it's that's why we could prevent this confusion.
Yeah.
If you had called as well, instead of just coming back to your apartment thinking,
Yeah.
oh well,
Yeah.
it'd probably be doing something different.
Okay. Yeah.
But when there's a traffic crash involved, and especially when there's somebody's injured, because this person is complaining of injuries, whether they hit you or not, we don't know who hit who or what
Yeah.
it may have been. Were you the only one in the car?
Yeah, I was. I know. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I just I've never been. I told you that I've never been pulled over. And then one thing happened, and nothing happened after that. I tried to call the police, and they just couldn't do anything about it because no one saw anything.
It was a hit and run.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, no, not even a hit and run. It was she hit me. It was really bad. It was a T-bone, and then I got out, and I think I literally blacked out in the moment because I've never gone through anything like that.
Okay.
And I was looking at my Jeep. I was okay, there's no damage, but there was so much damage, and I just didn't even see it just because I was freaked out,
Okay. Is your registration and insurance and driver license and stuff, is it in the house and in the Jeep? Well, not like maybe driver's license inside, but registration, insurance
My
in the Jeep.
license is definitely inside, and then my registration's in the Jeep.
Okay, can this officer accompany you to get your license and everything?
Yeah,
and you
of
can meet me
course.
back at the Jeep and we can get your registration and insurance and stuff?
Yeah, of
And we'll
course.
see if we could chop this up to like a learning moment or what we can go from there. I'll let you know here in a second.
It's gonna be a search.
Yeah. Right here's fine. Right. Were you wearing your seatbelt?
Yes, I was.
Can you actually back 662 on a suspicious person for a couple juveniles, not to break the vehicle?
You have no injuries, right?
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Okay. About approximately how fast were you going? Not an exact speed, more of an estimate.
Probably like 10 miles per hour. I was like literally turning into Dixie.
Okay. And you were originally traveling west on Tennessee Street, which means that direction.
Like coming from like this way and then turning
Vehicle
right
at a light
I was coming from like
You know where Walmart is on Tennessee Street down the road?
yeah.
You were going that way towards Walmart.
Yes.
My God, Carter. 10-4.
Did your airbags deploy any?
No.
All right. You want to stick this back in your car and then come back over here? Talk to me for a second. All right, so here's the thing. What I need you to do, I need you to turn around and put your hands behind your back for me. You are being placed under arrest for hit and run with injury. I'll explain to you some other stuff if you have any questions, so forth, or something like that, okay? And then if you need us to lock your house up or something like that, we can, okay? If you need to call somebody, we'll call somebody and go from there. That's not too tight, is it?
Do you want your jewelry off? We're gonna end up still taking off at the jail. So that's one reason. Do you want me to put it in your room?
Is there like this is it back?
It'll go be the property, yeah. They're going to give it back to
We'll
you.
give it back to her. Just don't know the process of it.
And then your phone, your keys, all that stuff can go with you, okay?
Thank you.
You want me to walk up your apartment?
Sure. You just
Hey, real quick, can you search her while you're here?
there's like a little like it has
Walk
like,
over this way for me,
It
Kayla.
has like a lock button on the top. And you just like pull that down and it should make a noise.
Just hang tight right here for a second.
Okay.
Your cat good in the room?
Yeah, I got it.
Do you have anything on you for the card today?
No.
The vape can't go, unfortunately.
Okay.
You want us to put that in your vehicle for you?
Whenever you walk in the house, you just put that on the counter.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. It is very humid out here. That's like yucky. All right, do me a favor, Kaylee. Have a seat. Actually, hold on one second.
Okay.
Turn right there for a
Where's
second.
my phone going?
It's going with you.
Okay.
It's just going to be in the back until we get to jail.
Okay, thank you.
Same thing with you, Kate. So you want your two vapes to go inside on the counter?
Yes,
And then lock the
please.
door. You can lock it down the top, outside lock?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
Do I just step in?
Yep,
Yeah,
just be
have a
careful.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna buckle you up, and then we will try to get this taken care of as quick as possible, okay? And if you have any questions for me while we're on the ride there, you feel free to ask me, okay? Any contact?
I'm supposed to be 20.
Okay. What were you asking me?
I was just like wondering like how this is gonna go. I've never like experienced anything like
Okay,
this.
so you've never been to jail before, right?
No, I've never even been pulled over
Okay.
or gotten a ticket. I don't know how this goes.
Like I told you earlier at the front door, that gentleman here that came to the scene that I was talking to, he's my supervisor.
Okay.
And the sergeant.
Okay.
We were trying to see if we could make it more of a, like I told you, a learning experience on like traffic crashes and stuff like that.
Yes, sir.
But again, like I told you, when there are injuries involved, it's different. So that's the line between.
I understand that. I just genuinely, it was such a light little crash that I didn't think anything happened of it, and I apologize for that. I just get, I don't know, and not to make any excuses, I just get freaked out.
It may have felt that way. Jeeps are tough. I drive Jeep.
Yeah.
I got 2004 Jeep.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
okay, that's awesome.
Tough. So, and I've been in crashes where people in Jeeps feel, well, it didn't feel that bad, but other cars,
they feel it.
Aren't as tough.
Okay,
and this person who was in a crash that either hit you or that you hit, whether, like, whatever it was, like, the thing is, you have to stay on scene for stuff like that and check to make sure everybody's okay.
Okay.
If you would have just stayed there and just say, hey, are you okay, or da-da-da, and that would have been different, and then we would have been able to resolve.
I know. I really should have. I'm just like, I don't know how to handle these situations yet. I don't know. I'm like, it just freaks me out a lot. Which
you say you're how old?
I'm 19.
Yeah. You here for school?
Yes, I am.
Okay. How long have you been in Tallahassee?
I moved here in August.
This August?
Yes, this August. So I'm very new to this town. And literally, like, I've had to handle, like, police situations so many times. And I swear none of them, like, gave me, like, any type of good information. Or they didn't help at all. So it was just, like, I also thought about it, like, okay, like, they really don't care. Which, no disrespect whatsoever. But, like, those were my, like, situations.
No,
like,
I get you. Like, I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
Every police officer is different.
Yeah,
like,
of course,
they
of
provide
course.
Different experiences and different information and so forth. And it just sucks that you just got here in August, and this is like one of your, in the first few months you've been here.
I know.
Like a first experience. Are you a freshman?
I'm going into my sophomore year.
Okay, yeah. Like that's
Yes, sir.
you shouldn't even have to go into this, but again, like I said,
know.
this is it's still a learning experience.
I know. I really should. I know. I
It's a
really
learning moment. Now we know in the future, even if the other driver leaves as well. Because what happens is, say you got into a crash and the driver hit you, and then both of you guys left, and they end up calling, which is really what happened here.
Yeah, that's what happened to me last time too.
Maybe it wasn't even your fault.
Yeah.
But because you left and didn't stay on scene,
Then it's my. Is it automatically my fault?
That's what makes it a crime.
Okay.
Because we have to just make sure everybody's okay.
Yeah, I get that. I understand that. I need to like learn like more about that. I guess I don't know.
So that's why we are in the position that we're in.
Okay.
If it was just oh, my vehicle got damaged but I'm okay, I don't have any injuries, then it would have been okay, Kate gets a ticket, she has to go to court and explain what happened.
Okay. Am I allowed to know what kind of injuries they had?
It was like shoulder pain and
Okay.
I think either neck or back pain.
Okay.
And that's why we are in this position.
Okay.
So like I said, if it was just oh, my car is damaged but I'm okay,
Yeah.
it would have been okay, hey, what's called like a criminal UTC, which is like a misdemeanor. That would be a misdemeanor, but because they had injuries, it makes it a felony.
Okay.
Do
Do you think I will get a felony?
I think that based on what you told me, and I'm pretty sure you either going to get a lawyer or a public defender.
Yes,
to
sir.
explain what happened and you not having any prior criminal history. Like I said, I'm not a lawyer. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah, of course, of course.
But based off what I've heard, it'll probably maybe get played down to like reckless driving or something. Which is not a felony.
Okay.
But this is stuff that goes through like the court, and then what can be settled in court, like between the judge and so forth. And they'll probably be like, well, Kaylee doesn't have any criminal history. This is like the first time she's done this, and things like that get what's called played down to like lower levels of crimes.
Okay.
So maybe it does get played down to just a misdemeanor or something, and maybe you just have to pay something or just like a, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I get it.
We've been talking, do you need me to call anybody for you and let them know, like, parents-wise, like, what's going on?
No, it's fine. I do all, like, everything's, like, by myself, so
Really?
I don't need anything.
You don't want anybody to know where you are?
Well, okay, so, like, one of my upstairs neighbor, he's one of my, like, my best friends. I would like to let him know, but I also don't know his, like, number by, like, heart.
Is it in your phone?
It is.
Yeah. Call him for you?
Yeah, sure. He's working right now, so I don't know if he will answer.
Yeah, what's the passcode?
And it should be under my contacts as Cody Cop. Yes.
Cody Cop.
Yes.
Cody Cop?
Yes. Oh, no, he's not a cop.
Not a cop?
No, he works at one of the bars. He's not a cop.
Okay. Alright, so I'll call him for you.
Okay, thank you so much.
I'll put him on speaker.
Thank you. He might not answer, but I doubt he will. But if he doesn't answer, then I don't have anyone to call. Hey, Cody. Hey. Wait, what do I say to him?
Whatever you want.
I'm in trouble right now. I just want to let you know. I'm in trouble right now. I just want to let you know. Like, I'm in the back of a cop car. Don't laugh. It's horrible. I'll explain later, but I just want to let you know.
Wait, what?
I said I'll explain later, but I just wanted to let you know. I'm on speaker with, like, everyone. What?
Do you lie?
No, I didn't drink tonight. We just had dinner.
Alright, then you're fine. Alright.
You want me to talk to Cody, explain what's going on?
He's fine. He'll be fine. Okay, yeah. I'll call you whenever I can. I just want to let you know. Okay.
Nobody else?
Yeah, nobody else. We're good. Am I gonna, like, be with, like, other people?
Are you gonna what?
Like, be with other people?
Not sure.
Okay.
Like, yeah. There'll be other people in here.
Okay. Tallahassee people kind of scare me a little bit.
I don't blame you.
Yeah. They're a little crazy around here.
Hang tight for me, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. All right.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
She was charged with hit and run involving injury, and this bodycam footage was released through a FOIA request. If you want more cases like this, hit like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.